So I just hauled in another old cab over frame here. We're gonna go grab the boom truck and see if it'll handle it. I think it will. If not, we'll just find what needs to be improved on my my high school welds, you know? Look, I even got the other one put away. Now it's not sitting out here right in the way. Oh yes, there she is in all her glory. I just heard a squirrel. We're about to get exciting. Would you believe me if I said I actually fixed the carburetor on this thing and it'll actually idle? No, I didn't actually fix it. I just put another one on it. Well, it's hooked up. Now let's see what I can break. Oh, here she goes. Oh, it might help if you go the right freaking way. And you thought it wouldn't do it. Fun fact, this is the lowest I've ever seen this frame. I mean, the springs are almost flat. And I'm pretty sure this is bent back more now. But you know, it's not laying on the ground, so it's clearly usable. Just walk under it. It's fine. Now to get this thing out back. And there we have it. Put away with the other one. The old boom truck's a champ. Till the next time, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later.